guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror and fully control your Android phone on your MacBook. Okay, so for this guys, you need to install the applications on your MacBook and on your Android phone. So first we will install the application on our Android phone. So just open the Play Store, and here in the Google Play Store, here you need to search Vysor Android Control on PC. Download and install it. Okay, and then in your MacBook you need to open any web browser, and in the Google you need to search Vysor screen mirroring. Okay, and then open the first link like this, and then click on download button. From here you need to select the Mac. Okay, and then download this application on your MacBook. Okay, now you need to connect your phone and your MacBook with the same Wi-Fi network. Just install this application. I have already installed it. Okay, so just double click and open this application like this. Now first time you need to connect your MacBook and your Android phone via USB cable. As you can see guys, I have this USB cable. You need to use the branded USB cable. If you are using a local USB cable, you can face the connectivity issue. So I have the USB type A cable. As you can see guys, in my MacBook there is no USB type A port. I will using this type C converter. So just connect it, and one end you need to connect to your MacBook like this. Okay, so when you connect it, so it will quickly show you Android phone name. So in case the phone name is not showing in your phone, you need to enable the developer option and USB debugging option. Okay, so open the developer option, enable it, scroll down, and you need to also allow the USB debugging. That's it. Now in your MacBook screen, just need to select your device name. So you can use this cable for one-time setup only. After your phone was successfully connected to your MacBook, at that time you can disconnect the cable. Okay, so this is the one-time process only. As you can see guys, our MacBook screen was, our Android phone screen was showing here. So I can easily able to control my Android phone screen from my MacBook only. So I will open YouTube. Where is YouTube? I will open it. As you can see guys, all applications are working very perfectly fine. So now I will open the Play Store. From my MacBook only guys, I am controlling my Android phone. So this is the very nice and very smooth application. As you can see guys, everything was working very perfectly fine. So now let's see, I will open the camera. As you can see guys, camera was open. So with this type of application guys, you can easily able to mirror and control the Android phone screen to your MacBook. So you can get lots of tool application method to mirror Android phone to MacBook. So the tool was giving access to only screen mirroring, but you can't control your Android phone from MacBook. With this help of application, you can easily able to mirror or control your Android phone from the MacBook. Okay, so that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.